Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learn with Nisha ji. We are studying class 9 science. We are starting with chapter 4, that is structure of the atom. Its introduction we are going to do in this lecture, right? If you want to attend one-to-one sessions, then you can fill up this form, right? Our team will contact you for one-to-one sessions, right? And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, you can subscribe the channel to get regular updates regarding video uploads, right? So let's begin with the chapter. So आपने chapter 3 में देखा था, ठीक है? We learned that atoms and molecules are the fundamental building blocks of matter, right? अगर आपने chapter 3 के lectures नहीं attend किए, you can watch them in the playlist, right? Now, the existence of different kinds of matter is due to different atoms constituting them. ठीक है, जैसे सपोज हमारे पास एक हाइड्रोजन है, एक है ऑक्सीजन, ठीक है, तो वो डिफरेंट क्यों है? बिकॉज देयर एटम्स आर डिफरेंट. हाइड्रोजन के एटम्स अलग हैं, ऑक्सीजन के एटम्स अलग हैं, राइट? So the question now arises, what makes the atom of one element different from the atom of another element? ऐसा क्या difference होता है इनमें? Okay. And are atoms really indivisible? क्या मतलब atoms को और हम further parts में break कर सकते हैं या नहीं? That is also a question as proposed by Dalton. Or are there smaller constituents inside the atom? ठीक है, तो इन सभी questions के answers हम देखेंगे इस chapter में, right? We will learn about subatomic particles and various models that have been proposed to explain how these particles are arranged within the atom. तो हम बेसिकली देखेंगे एटम के अंदर और क्या सब पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट हैं, कैसे उनका अरेंजमेंट है. फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट्स ने लाइक डिफरेंट मॉडल्स प्रपोज किए थे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी ऑल दोज मॉडल्स इन डिटेल, राइट? So a major challenge before the scientists at the end of the 19th century was to reveal the structure of the atom, okay, and explain its important properties, okay. The elucidation of the structure of atoms is based on a series of experiments. तो काफी experiments हुए, तो based on the results of those experiments we will be studying how the structure of atom came into existence, right? Now, one of the first indications that atoms are not indivisible, it comes from studying static electricity, okay, and condition under which electricity is conducted by different substances. तो ये सब concepts हम देखेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि yes, atoms are also further divisible. उसमें भी आगे सब particles होते हैं, right? So this is the introduction to the chapter. Further हम continue करेंगे इस playlist में. आप next lecture देखिए, right? And subscribe the channel Learn with Nisha ji if you have not. ठीक है, सारे chapters आप completely playlist में देखो ताकि आपके सारे concepts clear हों, back exercises सारी solve हो जाएं and you get good marks in your exams. ठीक है, और अगर आपको one-to-one session चाहिए तो just fill up this form. I'll share this link in the description part here. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.